All right, good morning, guys. We're out here for another one today. We're out here with the Morning Car Club. This is their once a month meet out here in Irvine. So I'm sure you guys have seen me out here before. Everybody's still rolling in, but we have a ton of really good cars. You can see over my shoulder. All the boys came out. This is, I think, just two groups of just nothing but just fire. So it's a bunch of really good exotics, some good cars. Check out this poor Ferrari. So that is not a bumper off for twin turbos. That is a bumper off because it has been smashed. But it's kind of cool. He still brought it out, and just he's having fun with it. But as you can see, there's a bunch of good cars here today. You guys, as always, drop those comments below. Let me know what you think of today, and I'm gonna get at it and show you what's here. All right, thanks. Cool. We've had a couple muscle cars come out today, a couple cool Camaros. This one with its big old supercharger and parachute on the back. Let's see what we got on this side. Nice clean Evo. I've been seeing more clean Evos than just more recently. CTR is nice. Of course, you guys know I love this slant nose Porsche. A couple cool Miatas. See if I can get out of the way. And then this one's pretty cool. He's working on a full wide body for it. Got the like little lazy eyes. I mean, it's still rough because it's full project, needs paint. Looks like he's got most of the body work done on it. Fitment of the wide body is actually not bad. Needs a bigger set of wheels up front just to fill in, but actually looks pretty cool. And he's got his buddy next to him. Both all kind of primered out, waiting on paint. They're cool. I like them. Got a couple other. Got a Z, couple STIs here today. It's 370. I thought it was done, but I think he's added a couple things since the last time I saw it. I don't remember the yellow. I don't remember the yellow headlights, but maybe he had them last time. Everybody's starting to do their thing, get their little media. Got our guy here, does our keychains. He's always out. If you need something cool, hit him up. Right there.
Some are for storage units.
Huh?
Some are for.
The whole rally Porsche is really cool. It's got the studded tires.
Well, the ones you want to go to.
Porsche with the aero disc is
Definitely not the
cool.
ones out in.
What we have?
GT3, GT4 RS. For some reason, this is still one of my favorite generation Porsches. We got a 1016 Lambo over here. Let me show you guys. Little Huracan Performante. How do you guys feel about this hood? This hood definitely adds a lot more of an aggressive look to what normally for the Audi is a real kind of just like smooth, more rounded feel. I know the RS6 has more like aggressive, kind of harder lines. But yeah, it's definitely a different look. With all the lower carbon package and everything else. Let's see what else we got down this way. Got our BMW boys that always come out. TEs, as you'd expect. I'm surprised the last one is on BBSs and not TEs, but I think he does have a set of TEs if I remember correctly. I think I remember seeing this car on some TEs. We are a line of Mercedes. Oh, something about a big wagon. I really like the big wagons. I don't know why. Handful of F chassis, M3s, M4s, all the S55s. Need that crank hub done. This is cool. Mazda Speed, Protege, just the Protege, not the Protege 5, because the 5 was the hatch, if I remember correctly. So it's just the Mazda Speed Protege, which, like, I don't know. Hey, for my channel, you're like, hey, wait, why is he showing some weird Mazda? These were actually pretty cool. Like, I don't know. It looks like a Mazda Speed 1. I don't know. It has racing hearts on it. Let's go look at the back and see what it has. These were actually fun cars. Oh, yeah, see? It says Protege, Mazda Speed. I think that's which one it is. TEs on the Golf look pretty good. Still got some more cars coming in. So I'll show you guys what's here. You guys let me know what you think. I'm gonna come over here to the new GR Corolla over here. These are pretty cool. I want to drive one of these on the track. If any of you guys have one of these that I can take out on the track, I would love to take one of these out and do a little track review on these. Looks really good. Has like nice wide fender flares, you know, stock, but you know, it's like looks like wide body on it. The way it's done, it definitely bumps out a lot in the rear. Yeah, I want to get a hold of one of these. Maybe drive it in the canyons, do a little track drive on it. This would be fun. It's a good mix. Got a Mustang next to it. Got a little MB Miata down there. Got a cool little 8.6 rolling in right now. Let's see if I can show you guys. show you guys some stuff down this row, and I'll show you one car down here that I got the pleasure to being able to drive for a little bit. Wasn't able to do a review on it, but was able to get behind the wheel and do a little driving, and that's this beautiful Viper right here. That's one of those like childhood dream cars, you know, getting to drive. You guys let me know, out of all the cars here, which car would you guys just want to drive? And let's do it in a couple different ways. Which one would you just like want to be able to get in and drive, and which car would you like want to take to the track and like really drive? You guys drop those comments below. Let me know what car's here. And you know what, if you didn't see that car, drop a comment and list which car it would be. That Porsche right there, yeah, that would be one I'd love to take around the track. So you guys let me know.
I haven't seen you since like golf.
All right, guys, so I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna head over to the next one. This was the Morning Car Club's once a month meet out here in Irvine. You guys let me know what you think. Once a month, if you guys want me to hit this up again, let me know how much you liked it. Drop those comments below, and I'll definitely try and make it out to the next one then. So I'm gonna head over. I'm gonna run out to the next one. You guys, I'll see you. Thanks.